In this video you will learn how to remove your default clothes in the Roblox avatar. Log into your Roblox account, sign in with your username and password to access your Roblox homepage. Go to the avatar editor, click on the avatar tab in the left side to open the avatar editor. Find your clothing items. Under the clothing category, select t-shirts, pants and shirts to view the avatar you're currently wearing. Remove your default shirt. Click the default shirt off in the plain white or blue top, then select removal under quick to take it off of your Roblox character. Remove the default pants. Go to the pants section, find the blue jeans or pants, then click removal under click as well. Save your avatar changes. After removing the default clothes, make sure you save or refresh your avatar to apply the changes and view your new look. Now you know how to remove your default clothes in the Roblox avatar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.